डिक्टेशन फॉर चंडीगढ़ हाई कोर्ट at the rate 100 word per minute, exercise number 26. Be ready, start. 400 words. The present letter's patent appeal is directed against an order passed by the learned single judge bench of this court on 27/4/2015 in a petition under Article 227 of the Constitution challenging the order passed by the learned district judge Roopnagar on 9/3/2015 and application under order 7 rule 11 CPC. When the appeal came up for hearing before a division bench of this court on 27/5/2015, the counsel for the appellant sought time to argue regarding maintainability of letters patent appeal in the matters arising out of petitions filed under Article 227 of the Constitution against the orders passed by subordinate courts. Today, learned counsel for the appellants relies upon the judgments of Honorable Supreme Court in Susila Bai and others versus Nihal Chand and others Air 1992 SC 185 and Kisori Lal versus Sales Officer District Land Development Bank and others 2006 7 SCC 496 to contend that an appeal under clause X of the letters LPA number 816 of 2015. Land counsel for the appellants also referred to a few other judgments such as Raj Kishan Jain versus Tulsi Das etc. Air 1959 Punjab 291 wherein it has been held that an order passed in exercise of supervisory jurisdiction of superintendence is an applicable order. Though learned counsel for the appellants referred to large number of judgments in support of his arguments, but the matter stands concluded in a recent judgment reported as Radhe Syam and another versus Chhabi Nath and others within bracket 2015 5 SCC 423, wherein it has been categorically held that a writ of certiorari under Article 226 cannot be issued against an order passed by the civil court. Such order could be challenged only under Article 227 of the Constitution. The Honorable Supreme Court held as under. Thus, the question to be decided is whether the view taken in a writ lies under Article 226 of the Constitution against the order of civil court, which has been doubted in the reference order is the correct view. Thus, it has been clearly laid down by this court that an order of civil court could be challenged under Article 227 and not under Article 226. We may now come to the judgment. Therein the applicant was aggravated by denial of interim injunction in a pending suit and preferred a writ petition in the High Court stating that after CPC amendment by Act 46 of 1999 with effect from 1 July 2002, remedy of revision under Section 115 was no longer available. फुल स्टॉप। स्टूडेंट, जो चंडीगढ़ हाई कोर्ट है में आपका जो एग्ज़ाम है 120 वर्ड पर मिनट की इसकी डिक्टेशन आप तैयार करके ही ले जाएं। यहाँ पे आपको 120 वर्ड पर मिनट की डिक्टेशन लेनी होगी और उसको टाइप करना होगा। उसमें आपको मिस्टेक कितनी मिलती हैं वो आपको देखनी होगी।